The popular H models are available in 3 vertical sizes: 50, 64, and 74 inches, depending on your cutting capacity requirements. Each model features a 3¼ horsepower Milwaukee motor with an ergonomic handle and switch for easy operation and the ability to change from vertical to horizontal cutting in seconds. Adjustable measuring indicators make precision cuts a snap. Also included is a thin material pressure guard. Combined with a proper saw blade, it improves cut performance when cutting thin plastics and laminates. A heavy-duty counterbalance neutralizes the weight of the saw during vertical cutting. The holder conveniently keeps the cord out of the operator's way. This process is further improved with patented graphite-nylon rolling bearings that promote smooth movement of the saw carriage. No lubrication is required, and the inherent design of these bearings is impervious to sawdust buildup. The frame is also designed with material rollers spaced to eliminate sawdust buildup. A removable upper blade guard with dust port allows standard 8-inch blades with a 5/8-inch arbor to be changed quickly. Twin spring-loaded indexing pins assure positive locking of the power unit in the desired position. With 3 different cross-cutting capacities, a cutting accuracy within 1/32 of an inch, and the ability to cut unlimited lengths on the 10-foot welded frame, the H models are the space-saving, profit-making solution for many companies. Don't forget to customize your machine with our full range of accessories and accessory packages to maximize the productivity and versatility of your panel saw.